Okay, so looking at your folder structure and your naming of your pages, you've done that correctly. Most people will capitalize letters and put spaces in words and things like that, so that's why I want to double check and make sure. I see you add some content now. You'll be adding content in week 2. Typically, we just leave it with the basic structure. If you want to add a little text, that's fine. I don't take points off for adding text on or anything like that. So um, like you did here with social media, because what'll happen is you'll change this, and this will be geared for your other information. Now, with that said, I'm going to start with the index page, and first thing I want to look at is your meta tag. For your pages, we want to shorten this. This is HTML4. The HTML5 version. Oops. Let me hold on one second. The HTML5 version is just simply meta char set equals and then UTF-8 in quotation marks, and you want to update that in your other pages as well. So the structure here is set up correctly. Make sure you understand what the head section is. Whenever you put anything in the head section, it's not going to appear on the page. It'll appear behind the scenes to help make the page show. Um, in your body page, where the body element is, that's the content of your page. So whatever you want to show on your page has to go inside the body element. Now, if we take a look at the about page, besides the meta tag, that we're working with, um, and you put in some links and tags in here, it looks like you're working with the tags correctly, so that's a good thing. So you'll be doing the same thing, next week. I think the products page is where I saw an issue with your style tag. Right here, anything that comes in red, when it indicates to you right now, it usually is an error. So if you're in brackets and red comes up, that's because you just spelled border wrong. So um, up here, the title, you want that title to really geared for the page you're on. So just like you did with the index, Happy Paws Pet Store, and about, you said Happy Paws Pet Store. Now you could, with about, I might put the word about there, and then kind of have to describe it in a sense, because whatever goes in your title element, when you bookmark the page or add a favorite, that's what adds to that list information. So a couple things to work on for your milestone